welcome back. In the previous class, we had discussed how to construct a rectangle. Today, we are going to learn how to construct a parallelogram. So, this portion introduces various specifications of drawing a parallelograms. Rhombuses are also parallelograms. There are some specifications for a rhombus. Let's see what's that. In a rhombus, all the sides are equal, but the angles are different. That is, the angle between the sides are different. So, a rhombus cannot be drawn only with sides. Since the diagonals of the rhombus may not be equal, diagonals are the perpendicular bisectors of each other. So, the angles between the diagonals do not change. Also, the distance on either sides of the point of intersection of the diagonals does not change. Then, the rhombus can be drawn. Square is also a rhombus. Let's see the method of drawing a rhombus which is not a square. Draw a rhombus of side 4 cm and the angle between two sides 30 degree. First of all, let's draw a rough figure. So in the question, the side is given as 4 cm and the angle between two sides is 30 degree. If angle A is 30 degree, then angle C is also 30 degree, which is the opposite angle. And if angle A is equal to 30 degree, then angle B is equal to 180 degree minus 30. That is equal to 150 degree. If angle B is equal to 150 degree, then the angle opposite to angle B is angle D. That is also 150 degree. Okay. So, angle D is equal to 150 degree, which is the opposite angle. Now, let's draw the figure using this idea. Okay. First of all, draw a line 4 centimeter long and name it as AB. Okay, that is AB is 4 centimeter long. Then place the protractor at the point A and measure an angle 30 degree and draw a line. Then place the protractor at the point B and measure an angle 150 degree and draw a line. Using a compass, measure 4 cm and place the compass at the point A and draw an arc at the line, and then place the compass at the point B and draw an arc. And join these 2 points. Now we got the required figure. Next question, draw a rhombus whose diagonals are 6 cm and 4 cm. First of all, let's draw a rough figure. So here in the question, the diagonal measurements are given, that is 4 cm and 6 cm. We have to draw a rhombus using this. First of all, draw a line of length 6 cm and name it as AC. Draw its perpendicular bisector and mark the midpoint. For drawing the perpendicular bisector, take 3/4 of the line and draw an arc on both sides and join these 2 points. The length of the second diagonal is 4 cm. Okay. So, for drawing this diagonal, take half of 4. That is 2 cm. So, using a compass, measure 2 cm and place the compass at the center and draw an arc on the perpendicular bisector on both sides, and then join all these points, that is, draw line AB, BC, CD and AD. Now we got the required rhombus. We can draw this in another way also. That is, draw a rectangle of sides 6 cm and 4 cm and mark the midpoints of the sides and join these midpoints in order. Then we get the rhombus with the diagonals 6 cm and 4 cm. Okay, so let's draw the figure. For that, first of all, draw a rectangle of side 6 cm and 4 cm. Then mark the midpoint of each side and then join all these 4 points. And join these 4 points. Now we got the required rhombus. Like this, try to do this question in your textbook, page number 118. That's all for today. Thank you.